Fashion lovers, get ready to revolutionize your wardrobe. Imagine looking stylish, feeling fabulous, and knowing you're saving the planet at the same time. In this video, we're diving into the cutest, most sustainable fashion trends for 2025 that will have you turning heads without turning your back on Mother Earth. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll have all the inspiration you need to create your dream sustainable wardrobe. No guilt, just pure style. Let's dive in. Sustainable fashion isn't just a trend, it's a movement. It's about wearing clothes that not only make you look good but also do good for the environment. In 2025, sustainable fashion is bolder, brighter, and more accessible than ever before. We're saying goodbye to fast fashion's wastefulness and embracing a future where style meets sustainability. And trust me, you're going to love what's in store this year. Trend 1, reimagined vintage. First up, let's talk about vintage with a twist. 2025 is all about taking those classic thrifted pieces and giving them a modern update. Think oversized blazers paired with sleek, tailored trousers, or retro floral dresses styled with chunky, eco-friendly boots. The charm of vintage never goes out of style, and this year, it's getting a fresh perspective. Bonus, vintage shopping is sustainable and budget-friendly. It's like finding hidden treasures that no one else will have. Trend 2, upcycled statement pieces. Next on the list is upcycling, and it's hotter than ever. Imagine transforming an old denim jacket into a custom-painted masterpiece or turning outdated clothes into cutting-edge outfits. Designers are leading the charge with collections made from recycled materials, like handbags crafted from ocean plastics or dresses sewn from leftover fabric scraps. The result? Unique, jaw-dropping pieces that tell a story. Upcycling isn't just a trend, it's a chance to let your creativity shine. Trend 3, eco-friendly fabrics in playful colors. 2025 is proving that eco-friendly fabrics can be both stylish and comfortable. We're seeing organic cotton, bamboo, and even innovative materials like mushroom leather and orange fiber being used in everything from everyday basics to high-fashion gowns. But here's the twist, this year, it's all about bold, playful colors. Think sunny yellows, electric blues, and bubblegum pinks. Sustainable fashion doesn't have to mean muted tones, it's time to embrace your vibrant side. Trend 4, capsule wardrobes with personality. Let's talk about capsule wardrobes, but not the boring kind. In 2025, we're spicing things up with capsule collections that reflect your unique personality. Instead of owning dozens of trendy items that go out of style, the focus is on fewer, high-quality pieces you can mix and match endlessly. But here's the magic, each piece should scream you. Whether it's a funky patterned shirt or a statement belt, capsule wardrobes are the perfect way to stay sustainable and effortlessly chic. Trend 5, rent, don't buy. Why buy when you can rent? This year, clothing rental platforms are stepping up their game, offering stylish options for every occasion. From glamorous evening gowns to everyday casuals, renting allows you to keep your wardrobe fresh without adding to waste. Plus, it's the secret to achieving that celebrity look, without the hefty price tag. Renting isn't just smart, it's the future of fashion. Trend 6, gender fluid designs. Fashion is breaking barriers in 2025, and gender fluid designs are at the forefront. These pieces are designed to suit everyone, regardless of gender, and they're as stylish as they are inclusive. Oversized sweaters, tailored pantsuits, and versatile jumpsuits are just the beginning. Sustainable fashion is proving that style has no limits, and neither should you. Trend 7, slow fashion accessories. We can't forget about accessories. Slow fashion is making waves in the world of bags, shoes, and jewelry. Imagine carrying a handbag made from recycled materials or wearing handcrafted jewelry that supports local artisans. These pieces are more than just stylish, they're a way to make a statement about your values. And the best part? They last longer and look better with time. Trend 8, circular fashion revolution. The future of sustainable fashion lies in the circular economy. This means clothing that's designed to be recycled or repurposed after it's worn out. Some brands are even offering take-back programs where you can return old items in exchange for discounts on new ones. Circular fashion is closing the loop on waste and opening the door to endless style possibilities. Trend 9, minimalist elegance. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and minimalist fashion is taking over in 2025. Think clean lines, neutral tones, and timeless silhouettes that you can wear for years to come. But minimalist doesn't mean boring, it's all about how you style it. Add a pop of color with a sustainable scarf or layer eco-friendly jewelry to elevate your look. Trend 10, DIY and customization. Who says you need a designer label to stand out? This year, DIY fashion is back and better than ever. From hand-dyed fabrics to embroidered details, 2025 is all about making your clothes your own. Plus, DIY is a fun, creative way to reduce waste and breathe new life into old items. It's sustainable, it's stylish, and it's uniquely you. The impact of sustainable choices now. Let's take a moment to appreciate the bigger picture. Every time you choose sustainable fashion, you're making a difference. You're reducing waste, supporting ethical practices, and helping create a future where style and sustainability go hand in hand. Imagine the ripple effect if we all embrace these trends. It's not just about looking good, it's about doing good too. 2025 is shaping up to be the most exciting year for sustainable fashion yet. From reimagined vintage to DIY masterpieces, there's a trend for everyone, and each one is a step toward a more stylish, eco-friendly future. So, which trend are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fashion-loving friends. Together, we can make sustainable fashion the new normal. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay stylish and sustainable.